In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight squares in different colors on chess.com with right-click shortcuts. If you've ever wanted a quick, clear way to draw attention to key ideas on the board, whether you're analyzing quietly on your own or explaining a position to viewers, color-coding squares is the fastest tool you can use. These highlights work on both live games and analysis boards, and they're perfect for showing threats, good outposts, danger zones, or candidate moves at a glance. Here's how it works in the simplest, most reliable way. A normal right click on a square places a bold red or orange highlight, depending on your theme. Think of this as your urgent marker. Use it to flag a tactic, a blunder square, or a must-see move. If you want something more cautionary or neutral, hold the Control key and right click. That combination gives you a yellow or red tone, which is great for signaling "be careful here" or marking a square you're evaluating without committing to a verdict. When you're outlining constructive ideas, like ideal knight outposts, safe flight squares, or a helpful reposition, hold the Shift key and right-click to place a green highlight. Green is excellent for go-here suggestions or squares you want to aim for in the middle game. And if you need a cooler contrast that stands out clearly against reds and greens, hold the Alt key and right-click for a blue highlight. On Mac keyboards, Alt is labeled Option and Control is labeled Control. The behavior is the same. A couple of usage tips will make these feel natural. Place your cursor over the target square first, then press and hold the modifier key you want before you right-click. That order reduces misclicks and ensures the correct color appears the first time. If you're presenting, speak your intention as you mark. Green for the ideal knight route, red to show the immediate threat, or blue to track a long-term idea. The consistent color language pairing helps your audience follow along without confusion. These color highlights are visual annotations, and they're designed to be quick, lightweight, and unobtrusive, so you can mark several squares in rapid succession as your ideas evolve. To recap in one breath so it sticks, right-click for a red or orange emphasis, Control plus right-click for yellow or red caution, Shift plus right-click for green go-to squares, and Alt plus right-click for blue contrasts. Use them on live boards and in analysis to keep your thinking organized and your communication crystal clear.